Hi, good evening. Here I want to repair a motherboard with model ZTS. This motherboard used by the Acer laptop. The problem of this motherboard is cannot switch on. And let's check it out what happened. Okay, let's try to plug the power source from the charger from the power supply. Plug the power source. This is not short. Okay, once again, this is not short. You can see the voltage from the PSU or power supply is normal condition. In normal condition and not short. Okay, press the power button, not responding. The LED indicator not light on. Check the main 19 volt at the DC jack here, and you can see here the voltage in normal condition 19 volt, about 19 volt. And next step is check the 3 volt and 5 volt at here. Place the black probe at the ground and place the red probe here. Okay, you can see here 3.37 volt in normal condition, and here 5 volt point. You can see the 5 volt in normal condition too. And then let's check the voltage at the power button. At this power button, red probe at the ground. You can see here this power button content of 4 leg. This is the ground leg, this is ground 2, and this is this is the plus. In normal condition we should see about 3 volt here, and this leg and this leg. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, you can see here okay, you can see here about 0.345. I think this is not in normal condition. Let's check on the schematic of this motherboard. I have repaired this. I have prepared this. Okay, here at the power button on the schematic we can see this point. This point get the voltage from 3 VPCU. This is about 3 volt with resistor. Okay, let's check the voltage at R1. Let's check the voltage at R1. Okay, find the R1. Okay, you should you can see here R1, and let's check the voltage here. This is about 3 volt, and in this leg, and at the other leg, this is about 3.3 volt, and okay, let's see here. R1, this is a LED of R1, and we have checked and show us about 3.3 volt, and here 3.3 volt too, but here we cannot see we cannot see 3.3 volt, but just about 0.5. So I think the connection about this point and this point is get the trouble, maybe not connected directly, maybe not connected directly, because if the voltage here 3.3 volt, we must see here 3.3 volt too, but we cannot see here. So let's check the connection of this point and this point. Okay, unplug the charger. Let's check the connection. The connection between this leg and this leg. One lead of R1 that connected directly with J1. Alright. To check this connection, we use the ohm meter. I use the boost here. Boost, you know boost? Boost is boost. Boost is this is boost. You can hear this sound beep when this probe connected directly. This is so difficult, so I'm sorry. The connection between the LED of R1 and a LED of the power button. Okay, I think this connection get the trouble in the problem, not connected directly. These two not connected directly. Okay, not connected directly. So we must make this point and this point connected directly. How? We can use a small cable. We can use a small cable. Okay, I will finding the small cable. Kabel kecil. Small cable. Okay, I will find for you small cable. Where are you, small cable? Where are you, the small cable? Small cable. Yan, di parang. Okay, this is small cable that I mean. And I will soldering this small cable. Okay, finish it. Finish it. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, sorry. Let's check this. Okay, Alhamdulillah. You can see here this laptop working again. The LED indicator is light on. Okay, check again. Okay, now this power button responding, working well. Okay, so the problem now fixed, and the solution of this problem is connecting this point, a lid of this power button with this point as the schematic diagram that you can see that I have explained you before. Okay, I think this job is finished. I need to reassemble this motherboard to this case, but I think this is the easy way. I think this is not important for you. So I hope this video will useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to support my channel and to see the next useful video about repairing the laptop and other devices, printer, projector, digital camera and other devices. Okay, once again, thank you for watching and see you next time.